Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to download Spotify on your PC. If you didn't already know, it's a really simple process. What you gotta do is you just need to follow me. So at first, you must open up your Microsoft Store on your PC, and after you land on your home page or your dashboard, what you gotta type in is Spotify on your search bar and click on enter. So it will search for a while, and at the top you'll see this. This is the official app of Spotify on your PC. This is easily found on PC on your Microsoft Store, and after you click on this, what you gotta do is click on install, and it will be installed in no time. You can see my download has already been started, and it will take a few minutes or a couple of seconds, and your Spotify is downloaded. So in the meantime, what you can do on Spotify is that you can listen music from different artists, from different bands, from all over the world. If they are on Spotify, you can follow them, you can create your own playlist, or you can even like or listen from other people's playlist, or the playlist of the week, or the playlist of the month, or the decade you want to hear. So this will be downloaded in few seconds, and after it is downloaded, you will see here that it has been downloaded, and you can open it right away. So you can see here it is open. So I click on open, and now my Spotify is already open. You guys might not see it, but it is open and it is downloaded in few seconds only. So I believe I've taught you guys how to download Spotify on your PC via Microsoft Store. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.